All right, this is my review of the Shockz Openrun. This is the Shockz Openrun Pro 2. So this is a newer version. And I had the other version, the previous version before, and they were really amazing. But when I tested these, the sound quality was just significantly better. It had a stronger bass, it had a crisper sound. It was much, much better than the previous one. And I already thought the previous one was good, but this one, the sound quality is just that much better, and I think it's because they've really beefed up the speakers. I think they're even a little bit bigger, the speaker sound, and the speaker size. It has more or less the same kind of features as the previous one. The only thing that stood out for me was that it had really much higher quality sound. With the other one, it could tend to sound a little bit tinny sometimes, especially at higher volumes, because it's really just relying on vibrating, whereas I think these have a dual speaker system. Everything else is pretty similar to the previous version. One really, really cool benefit or change is that they've now put in a USB-C charging here, which is much better in my opinion than the magnetic one from before, because everyone has USB-C chargers. You can just plug it into whatever you're already using. Same kind of thing, volume, power on that side, and then one single kind of button on one side of the headphones here. This is like the play pause button. So yeah, I've been using these for about 2 months now, and they're my everyday headphones. Another thing as well is that the microphone to me seems a lot better. Like with the previous one, people would quite often not fully hear what I was saying, especially if I was outside or if it was a windy day. But the microphone in these, when you're on calls, is much better. So it's basically just an upgraded, better version of the previous one. And yeah, so if you're looking for kind of like an active headphone that you can wear when you're running, you can wear, it's water resistant, you can wear it at the gym, and you can also use it for calls. And then you also get the benefits of having bone conduction headphone, so you can hear everything that's going on around you. Then yeah, I would highly recommend these. It comes also with this kind of like foam carry case, which I don't really tend to use this actually, because what I do is I just kind of chuck these in my bag or around my neck how they are. But yeah, I highly recommend.